All right, we're gonna get the thumbnail for the YouTube video before we do anything else. Since we're talking about money, we've got to look cool. We've got to make sure we've got the fine whips and the fine girls and the fine everything. So we're gonna flex that thumbnail, get those double icy watches out, get those sick socks. You see these socks? These socks is what Shopify sends you. These are Shopify socks, actually have a Shopify logo. This is what Shopify sends you when you make big money with them. Gotta flex that. Flex that. We're talking about making money today. We've got to make sure everyone knows we got money and shit. I think this is the thumbnail. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Don't mind the intro, I just like to have a bit of a laugh sometimes at the fake guru's expense because it's quite funny that they have to flex so much. Now, I seen someone flexing today on Instagram and it was like, they had like 5 watches on their wrist and they were saying, we've got a Lamborghini on our wrist. Like, worst investments. Those guys are just idiots. So what I want to do is talk about today, guys, is how to make money online with funnels and affiliate marketing. But the reason I'm doing this video, I have something really awesome for you guys, okay? I've been working on it for the last week. So my last couple of videos, my 2 videos on ClickBank, I noticed a problem that people had, and the problem was, I give you all the training and stuff, but you don't see the back end, you don't see the email marketing, you don't see the funnels, you don't see all the stuff that goes behind the scenes, because there's actually a lot of work that goes into behind the scenes when you're doing affiliate marketing and stuff. Like one of my videos, I said, hey, send traffic to a link and you, with a free website and you make commissions. Yeah, but you're never gonna get rich doing that. You're never gonna make a lot of money. You probably will never be able to do a full income doing that. So what I've done is I've actually created a 4-day training lesson that's completely free for you. Okay, no cost, no catch, you will not get charged anything at the end. In this 4-day training lesson, I take you through how to make money with affiliate marketing. Now, it's not with ClickBank, but it's with another program, but it's the same concept. You can use it the same for ClickBank and stuff. But the best thing about this, guys, is I give you the funnel to use. You can use the funnel. The emails, which is the golden ticket right there, I give you all of my emails that are profitable and have made me a bunch of money, okay, over 7 figures. I give you access to a private Facebook group where you can talk to me all day long. I'm online all day. You guys that know me have known me for a long time. I don't sleep. I literally don't sleep. My sleeping pattern is like 21 hours on, 3 hours sleep. It's ridiculous because I just like to do shit online. Now, and then you're going to get access to some training that's going to help you succeed. So what I've done is I've tried to put everything in just a package that you can use for free. Now, what do I get out of it? Well, word of mouth. Hopefully you spread the good word. Franklin's this guy. You want to learn how to do affiliate marketing? Go hit up Franklin, you know? So that's it. You're not going to get pitched anything. Okay, I've been working hard on this for the last few days. It takes a long, long time to put this stuff together. So there'll be a link somewhere. I'll either put it in the video so you watch it till the end. I want you to watch this stuff, or I'll put it below. But it's free for you, okay? You sign up right now, you'll get the stuff. So if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing properly, my arm's getting sore. We'll get into the video in a second. We'll go back to the office. But if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing properly, okay, and make good money, the stuff that no one tells you, the stuff that you don't see in the background, the emails, the funnels, the work that actually goes into successful businesses and affiliate marketing businesses, then you want to jump on this, okay? This is free. I don't know if I will close it or whatever, but this is free right now. I suspect I'm going to get a bunch of signups because I know how to send traffic to stuff. But if it closes, I'm sorry, okay? Because I don't want it to get too full because I've got to help a lot of people, okay? I'm going to have to help them on a one-on-one basis. So literally this is handheld if that's what you've been looking for. Because I noticed on my last videos that was the main problem. The emails and the funnels and what do we do? How do we build those? We don't know what to do. We don't know what to write. Guys, I'm not a master at email copy, but I'm pretty good. And the reason I am pretty good is because I'm different to everybody else. My copy is different. I tell stories, I do this, I do that. And not only that, I've worded the emails, I've edited them, and I've worded them in a way so you can use them and use my brand, use the videos in this funnel. So you can basically take these 4 lessons and promote them to people and make commissions. You understand when you get in there, okay? So go in there and watch the 4-day lesson. Now I'm gonna go back into my office and we'll get into today's training and we're gonna basically go through how you can make affiliate commissions with funnels and stuff like that, right? Let's go. All right, guys, so if you seriously want to get into making big money with affiliate marketing, like there's lots of videos online how to make $100, $200 a day, whatever. But if you want to make like thousands upon thousands upon thousands of dollars and for a long term, like literally printing money, right? You can go and find an offer, promote it, and print money. Well, the secret is email list. And I know I've talked about it before, and you've heard me talk about it before, but creating an email list is one of the most powerful ways to create an online income. But how do you do it? So when you go to a page, and the page below for my free course, you actually see this form as well, and I'll kind of show you some of the emails that I'm going to be doing and the ads. But what you do is you go out there and you create what we call an opt-in form, right? A lot of you guys probably know what that is. And what you're doing, or a squeeze page, and what you're doing is you have a headline and some text and a button where you click the email, and you're basically collecting the email, right? The button down here. Now the reason we do that is because we want to get the email, and that is because these customers, these leads, will purchase off you for years. I have people on my list that buy off me that have been on there for 3 years. They still buy off me today. Right? This is going to be your biggest asset when trying to make money online. Now, a lot of people have the misconception that you have to have your own products to make good money from affiliate marketing. From your own list. You don't. You can do it with affiliate marketing. But the trouble is, people don't understand that there's a lot in the back end. Like, how do you actually make money from a list? How do you build a list quickly is the biggest question. And how can you do it for free? So basically, if you build a list for free, it's going to be a slow process. You collect leads with blogs and free and YouTube and stuff. It's going to be slow, but you can at least get 100 to 200 leads per day doing that. But if you want to do it fast, you have to spend money on advertising. But how do you make that money back? Well, it comes down to a cost per lead, okay? So it doesn't matter if you're, let's kind of show you something here real quick. So this is something that I'm working on. People come into my flow, and I have a week's worth of training, and then I give away, and this is all for free, right? So what I do is I give away 4 days of training for free. And at the end of it, I give 2 more value emails, so a whole week of value. Then I start promoting products, and I'll promote them for 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks later, even months later. It's all automatic. But people don't understand that this is what's required to build a list, because first of all, you need to warm up the leads. So I do that with this. This is warming them up. Then once I've warmed them up, we'll show this in a second. Once I've warmed up these leads, let's say I spend 7 days warming them up. Excuse my writing. I still haven't made any money, but that's what people mistake all this stuff. Sorry, this is where people make the mistake. You might not make money for 3 or 4 months later, depending on your flow. So after 7 days, I'm going to give it a rest for about 3 days, and then I'm going to start promoting affiliate products, and I get a commission. So I get around about 50%. This is where I'm going to start to make my money back. And then even if I become even at this point, let's say I spend $1,000 and I make $1,000 14 days later or a month later, the leads are free. Okay, now why would just being even be okay? Because what you can then do, okay, is go to websites like this, munchi.com, weirdest name. You can find products to promote, and then you can just keep doing this forever. So that's kind of like where your profit is. For example, there's one here, Fred Lamb, coming out soon, and so first of all, you get a commission. So with this one, I think I've seen this one before. I was checking it out before. With this one, you can get $498 per sale. But there's also prizes, guys. You can win. You can win. Top prizes are Rolex. Oh, that's for the lead competition. So this is for a lead competition. You get $2 per lead. So let's say if you have an email list of a couple thousand people and you send Fred 500 leads, you're going to make $1,000. Plus, you can also go into the draw to win these prizes. But then there's also the sales prizes. A Mini Cooper, $20,000 value, so you can get the car or the cash. An Apple Pro Pack. This is kind of like where all the big affiliates focus on, because I don't care if it costs me $10,000 to build an email list and I make no money. I'm going to start making money in the affiliate competitions. I'm going to start making money in all the affiliate stuff 2 months, 3 months, 4 months down the track. So I'm investing now and I'm going to make money later. This is how you make big money with affiliate marketing. So let's kind of do some calculations. And this is a website called munchi.com. And there's literally hundreds of offers you can promote. There's kind of the shitty ones on the right here, and on the left, well, some of them are shitty, the gray ones. And on the left, we've got the big promotions where you make good money, like Click Animate, Josh Rata,
I know this guy. He'll be giving away prizes. I actually came second in an affiliate competition for this guy. I won $4,000. So they're giving away $2,000 for second place. First place $4,000. Third place $1,000. I've seen people give away $100,000. Right? So this is why some people are successful at building an email list and some people aren't, because the ones that aren't successful focus on making profit right away. Why? When you can build out these huge email lists and consistently make profit for the rest of your life, right? So this is kind of how it works, guys. This is an ad that I'm running. You're probably going to see it. This is a test. So far, I've spent $156, and I've got, just so you know, this is legit because this is a really insanely good campaign right now. People might think this is fake, but it's real. This is like legit crazy good. So I've had 417 leads. Okay. Now, what's my cost per conversion? I'm paying 37 New Zealand cents. That's like $28 American per conversion. So I'm paying $37 to get someone into my funnel. Okay. At this point. Now, this is what happens. And this is for an affiliate funnel, guys, not my own products. I'm paying, what was it, 37 cents. Okay. I have 7 days of free content. Let's say on the, okay, hang on. Let's get it up. We have 400, and so we've spent how much money? Sorry, cost. Okay, $156. All I need to do, guys, so 7 days of free training. All I need to do is make back, what was it again? $156. All I need to do is make back $156 out of those 400 at some point. Okay, so let's say I make that back on day 14. I promote an affiliate offer and I make back $156. That's literally just paid for my entire advertising campaign. Then after that, whatever I promote is pure profit, right? So if you want to build an email list fast, you need to do paid advertising. If you want to do it slow, which is fine, you can get like 100 to 200 leads per day if you start a blog, Instagram, which we are actually testing Instagram right now as well to do, and we're getting quite a few leads from that. Guys, I get leads from everywhere. I test literally everything. But right now, this is working extremely well for me, and I've had it running for 2 days. I've spent $156 and I've got 417 leads. Okay, so I'm not going to do this, but I could go to this site right now and be like, hey, I'm going to find a product to promote and I'm going to send it to my 417 leads and I might get a sale. I'm not going to do that because that's my list isn't ready for that yet. But what's happening is these guys are going to come down the 7-day funnel. This is a funnel. This is a back-end funnel. So I know I kind of talked about at the start of the video, I want to talk about funnels, but this is a back-end funnel. So I bring them into my email list with a opt-in form and they go through all of this content here. This is called a back-end funnel. And then I think like we have some value here. And then this is like day 8 or something. I'm going to set this to 4 days. I'm going to have a rest. And then a week later, I'm going to start promoting affiliate products. At this point, these guys are going to need traffic. So I'm going to offer them a traffic affiliate product. And it has to be relatable and, good. Like, don't just send them crap. You have to send them good stuff because it's your reputation on the line if you're going to do personal branding. So you have to send them good content, good affiliate offers. But this is how you make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. But most people don't understand that because they don't understand the value of an email list, the power of an email list for years to come, right? Like I said, my email list has, I've got a huge email list, but it has people on it from 3 years ago, 4 years ago. And they still buy products from me today. I know that because I can track a lot of it. Right? And that's not including affiliate offers that they probably purchase as well when I do affiliate promotions, right? So it's really important to understand this is how a funnel works, okay? Most people think a funnel is like a sequence of opt-in, pages, 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 and that's a funnel. But your funnel is also in the back end, your email funnel. You send the traffic to your lead page, you collect the email, and then all you need to give a shit about, right, is simple. Making back whatever you spent on those leads to get into your list. So in my particular case, I need to get back $156 out of these 400 leads. Okay? Easy. I should easily be able to get back $156 within, let's say, 14 days of my funnel. My back end, this is the back end email funnel where I send out emails every day, right? And people are like, oh, I don't want to do emails. Just do it, man. It makes good money, right? So that's what happens. I could make that back on day 12, but what most people do is they try and promote products straight away. You need to warm up the traffic. If they don't know who you are, what you're promoting, they're not going to buy stuff from you. If they're warm, they're going to buy stuff from you all the time, right? So that's how funnel works. A lot of you guys probably already know that. I'm probably preaching to the choir here, but you send the traffic to a lead page, you collect that lead, and then you make all of the money in the back end. That's really the most critical part. So what I've done, guys, because I know a lot of people don't understand this, it's hard to comprehend all of this. It's hard to do the emails. It's hard to do the landing pages, okay? I've created, I don't have it on my screen, but I've created, you can get into this funnel here. Let me just show you. You can get into all of this here, okay, for free. And I'll probably promote you affiliate stuff later on, but stuff that'll help you. But what you can do is you can get into this for free, okay? You get all the landing pages. You get all of the emails that you can use. You get everything you need to use to start your own affiliate business. And this is 100% free, okay? Helps with my brand, word of mouth. I get affiliate commissions every now and then to pay for the time, and you get private access to a group, okay? So 100% free. So if you click the link below in the description, go down there and click it, you'll get access, and it will help you understand this more. I don't have the email up, but I take you through the first day we talk about funnels. The second day I think we talk about email marketing. The third day I lay out email marketing on a whiteboard, a whole 1 hour video. Day 4 I think we do some other stuff. Can't remember off the top of my head. Day 5 we do a Q&A, and then after that I send you some more value, right? Everything you need to know about building funnels. But you need to understand that the money, guys, is here in the affiliate competitions. This is where the big money is, where you can promote other people's products. So it doesn't matter if you spend $1,000 2 months ago and you don't make any money on your email list, but 2 months later, you can make that $1,000 back. Then it's basically a matter of doubling down. Okay, I spent $1,000, got my leads, I got that $1,000 back a month later. Okay, now I'm gonna double it, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. And you spend all of this money on leads. Like, I actually don't care if I spend, I get real cheap leads, but I don't care if I spend $10 per lead, because I know that somewhere down the line, whether it's 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, or 4 months later, I make back that $10 per lead. Doesn't matter to me. That means that if I make $10 per lead back at let's say 4 months down the track, 4 months beforehand, I could be like, okay, I'm going to throw 10 grand at this campaign. That means 4 months later, I'm going to make back 40K. I think that's, yeah. Right? I think, is that right? No, if I put in 10 grand, I'll make 100. What do I make? Sorry, I messed that up. Sorry. If I spent $10,000, I'll make back that $10,000 at month 4. Okay, and then anything after that is pure profit, because I have this active email list that's going to be making me money. So what I'm basically saying is I would happily spend $10,000 to make back my $10,000 4 months later, then be profitable from there on out, where I could make $1,000 per email, or $2,000 per email for a promotion, or $500. But I will be 100% profitable from this point on. Okay? This is how software companies are built. This is how you build huge affiliate marketing lists, guys. So go down below, you'll get the free training, 100% free. And I'll see you on site, and make sure you like, subscribe. We can get a bunch of likes on this. We're going to be giving away more prizes. So let's try, probably won't get to 500 on this one because I haven't really optimized it. Let's get to 300. If we get to 300, I'll give away some more content. All right, guys, I'll see you on the training.